The finish parameters will determine how the final rough pass will cut the pocket. I'll select the parameters for this operation and select the finishing option. I'll ensure that the finishing checkbox is checked. The default is to leave 10 thousandths on the walls and machine this with one final rough pass. Taking this light cut as the final rough pass will improve the perpendicularity of the wall, ensure all the material is cleaned up. To demonstrate this, I'll uncheck the finish pass and accept this change. I'll regenerate the toolpath and launch the Verify simulator. I'll play the simulation. Now it can be clearly seen that without the finish pass, more than the desired amount of material is left on the walls. I'll go back to Mastercam, select the parameters, and turn the finishing pass back on, which is more of a semi-finish pass since another toolpath will be used to finish the pocket, and this toolpath will ensure the stock to remain on walls and floor is correct. When there's a problem with tool deflection, spring passes will help. A spring pass follows the previous toolpath. This will allow for less tool deflection with each pass. I also have the ability to control the type of cutter compensation here, and to change the tool's speed and feed for this final semi-finish pass. I'll always leave finish the other bound turned on. For this pocket, I'll let it start the finish pass at the closest entity to keep the tool down, or it will lift up out of the pocket and then feed back in before starting the semi-finish pass. I'll also have it machine this final pass at the final depth only. If depth cuts was enabled, and this was not, then this pass would happen at every depth level. Here, if there were multiple pockets, then the machine finish passes after roughing all pockets would ensure that all pockets were first roughed and then finished. I'll turn on the flood coolant and accept these selections. I'll go ahead and regenerate the toolpath and verify it one more time. The simulation looks good, so I'll close it and I'll save my work.